Dear student class 6, welcome to our online class Greenfield School and College. Today I am going to discuss chapter 13 Sustainable Development Goals. The United Nations was established on 24 October 1945. Since its inception, the UN has commendable roles in ensuring globally safety, economic development, social progress and cooperation. In line with this effort, the organization declared Millennium Development Goals in 2000, aiming at a world free from hunger, poverty, disparity, diseases, and environmental disaster. After the expiry of the period of set for MDG in 2015, the UN declared sustainable goals, development goals with a fresh deadline 2030 to achieve them. Lesson 1: Sustainable Development Habitat. We live in a planet called the Earth. We get essential elements like oxygen, fuel, food, water, land, and shelter from the nature of this earth. We also enjoy shades of the trees and beautiful weather of the earth, but a close observation shows that our earth is constantly changing ecologically and economically and socially. What is the reason behind this change? With the rise of the world population, human demand and luxuries are also increasing. In order to meet these demands, human beings are trying to raise their status as well as income. There are therefore taking part in different development activities. For example, they are building new houses, roads, industries, infrastructures, etc. Farmers are multiplying their production by using fertilizer and pesticide. It has adverse impact on environment and biodiversity. Such type of development is not suitable or desirable. Hence, we should realize what sustainable development is. Sustainable development is a process where futurity is pivotal. It puts equal emphasis on the protection of nature. It values present demands without neglecting future needs. Increasing production without using pesticide can be an example here. Sustainable development emphasizes environment friendly farming that help keep natural resources of present and future time intact. Safeguarding of human being and animal resource is also an example of sustainable development. We can cite many examples like this to indicate sustainable development does not only mean conservation of environment and economic development, it rather covers social and human development issues. For example, eradication of poverty through quality education, removing disparity from the society through collaboration between man and woman, casting votes peacefully, holding peacefully protest if necessary, are also some issues under SDG. So we all will take part in the process of sustainable development. Lesson 2: UN approved sustainable development goals. United Nations has significant roles towards the development of the present world and addressing its challenges. In September 2000, the United Nations organized the Millennium Development Summit. In that summit, 8 goals were fixed. How many goals? 8 goals, and pledges were made to achieve them 2015. By 2015, these goals included eradication of extreme poverty and hunger, universal primary education, women empowerment, reducing child mortality, improving maternal health, prevention of HIV, AIDS, malaria and other diseases, ensuring sustainable environment and building up global partnership for development. Meanwhile, the deadline for achieving uh, the Millennium Development Goals is over. As a continuation of it, United Nations has declared the Sustainable Development Goals that has opened a chapter of cooperation in the world. 17 goals have been fixed in SDG action for achieving the goals of sustainable development started in January 2016 with a view to changing the world. This journey will end on 13 December 2030. Observe the following chart. You see a chart. There included 17 goals. Ending poverty in all forms of 2030. Ending hunger, achieving good security and improving nutrition and promoting sustainable agriculture. Ensuring healthy life and well-being. Ensuring inclusive and equitable quality education, achieving gender equality and empowering all women and girls. Uh, Ensuring availability and sustainable measurement management of water and sanitation for all. Ensuring affordable, reliable, sustainable, and clean energy for all, promoting sustained, inclusive, and sustainable economic growth, full and productive employment, and decent work for all, building disaster resistant sustainable infrastructure, and promoting inclusive and sustainable industrialization and fostering innovation, reducing equality within and among countries, making cities and human settlement inclusive, safe, silent, and sustainable, ensuring sustainable consumption and production pattern, taking urgent action to combat climate change and its impact, uh, uh, conserving and sustainably using the seas, oceans, and marine resources for sustainable development, protecting, restoring, and promoting sustainable use of terrestrial ecosystem, sustainably managing forest, combating desertification, and halting and reversing land degradation, and halting biodiversity loss, promoting peaceful and inclusive societies for sustainable development, providing access to justice for all, and building effective, accountable, and inclusive institutions at all levels, strengthening the means of implementation, and revitalizing the global partnership for sustainable. Bangladesh has also earned a reputation MDG that ended in 2015. Now the country has been working for attaining sustainable development goals by 2030. Look, area of sustainable development, the United Nations is committed to build up a hunger and poverty free world through ensuring prosperity, equality, and respect for all. So the UN is working to achieve sustainable development goals through integration of economic, societal, and environmental development. No poverty. Millions of people in the globe are still living below extreme poverty. They are depriving of fundamental needs for survival. This is why ending poverty through sustainable development is imperative. Zero hunger. Nobody can work when he or she hungry. So we have to build up a zero free or hunger free world. We have to confirm penalty of safe, nutritious, necessary food as per choice for all. By providing sustainable agriculture system, we can ensure food safety, good health and well-being. Healthy lifestyle for health and hearty living has to ensure. For this, standard health service system is to be established for the well-being of all people of all age. Quality education aims that at acquiring knowledge, skills, and attitude. Education help adopt strategies to cope with the environment, So inclusive and equitable quality education for all, as well as opportunities for life along gender equality, clean water, sanitation, affordable clean energy, decent work, economic growth, industry, innovation, infrastructure, reduced inequality, sustainable city communities, responsible consumption and production, climate action, life below water, life on land, peace justice, strong institution, uh, partnership for the goals. So we have to conscious about this, and if we change our activities, and if we want to save our earth, so we have to maintain uh, sustainable development goals strategies. Thank you very much.